Hi, my name is Kate, and for my Screencast assignment, we will be learning how to create and share a Google document. Google is a super important tool for teachers to be able to use because lots of schools use it as their primary source of technology and resource sharing. They use Google Docs, Google Drive, Google Classroom, so on and so forth. So first, I'm going to show you how to create the document rather than share it. So first, what you're going to do is you can either type in Google Docs in the search engine, or you can log into your Google account and click this little waffle icon. Once you're there, you're going to hit Drive. Now this gives you access to create any sort of form that you want, docs, sheets, slides, or forms. But we're going to stick with docs, so we're going to go ahead and hit docs. Now, when I first started using Google Docs, this was super hard for me to transition because I'm a Microsoft user, but with more practice, I've gotten really good at it. So we're going to go ahead and give it a title first so that our coworkers or friends or family that this is shared with understands what it is. Once you have a title, you write your information. All of the tools are up here, similar to how Microsoft is. Now, I noticed that this may be an easy concept to do since the share button is right here, but we're going to go ahead and look further into it. So let's see how we can utilize it. So if we hit share, we can type in any sort of email that we want, and all we have to do is give access to anyone with the link. If you want them to just view it, leave it on restricted, but if you want them to be able to edit it or do anything else with it, go ahead and hit anyone with the link. And once you're done, all you have to do is hit done, and it automatically shares it with the other person. So this is how to create a Google document and share it with other people, whether that's your friends, your family, or your coworkers.